Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio with NET6 or later and EF Core packages installed. Next, create a Windows Forms C# project and add a Models folder. Now define your entity classes representing tables, keeping properties simple and using data annotations when needed. Then add an app.db context deriving from db context and configure db set t properties. Once done, register your db context in Program. CS or Startup, providing the SQL Server connection string and options to enable migrations. You now wire up configuration and migrations. If using dependency injection, call services. Add db context app.db context, ops equals ops. Use SQL Server, connection string, alternatively override on configuring an app.db context. Then open Package Manager Console or Terminal and run .NET F migrations, add initial create to scaffold schema. Inspect the scaffolded migration to ensure column types and relationships match your model. Once satisfied, apply it with .NET F database update to create the database. Make sure your connection string points to the. You finish by integrating EF into your Windows Forms UI. Inject app.db context into Forms or create scoped instances to perform CRUD operations and save changes with db. Save changes. Once done, optionally call db, database, migrate. On startup to auto-apply pending migrations, but make sure this is suitable for production. If things go wrong, check the connection string, verify migration history table, and confirm SQL Server user permissions. Also ensure model changes correspond to new migrations and resolve any conflicting migration files before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.